I suppose, therefore, that the bulk of what I will have to say to you is my concern for the lack of pace in the legal system and its integration into society that I have observed in the past 40 years, and that I see as something that could almost destroy us if we don't do something about it, and do it very quickly. Let's make no mistake. This is not only the greatest country in the world, operating with the greatest dream. And in this, the 200th year of the Constitution, with a charter that was clearly a divine inspiration, let me say, of very gifted people. But because every other system is terrible or poor, is no excuse for the American system being so backward and so out of tune with what are the needs of a modern country, what are the needs of burgeoning technology, what are our social and political needs in terms of the utilization of technology for the benefit of mankind. It's no excuse, because we're the best in the world, that we still are so bad in the legal system in adopting things that other disciplines give to us and modernizing the horse and buggy kind of approaches that we have to dispute resolution and to what we call the law in the United States. Let me raise a few questions and see if you can answer them. Is the law, whatever that means to you, the master or the servant? Think about that. They telling you what to do, or are they serving you to do what you in society wants to do or feels it should do? Another question. Who makes the laws? How many of our people wait for the Supreme Court, 9 political appointees, to tell us the answers to questions? And the third question, is the so-called law imposed upon us? Or is it something that administers us because of our assent to it? How many times has a lawyer said to you, you can't do it, it's against the law. You can't do it, you can't, you can't, you can't. If we want to, who is it that's saying we can't? Is it a free society? Is it run by the people? We've been asleep, my friends. I've been asleep. And we have allowed the development in our country of a legal system that I charge is almost totally out of tune, in scientific terms, mismatched with nearly all of our modern needs.